luxury apartments 882 are redefining the standard of upscale residential living. In this presentation, we'll take you through the apartment's stunning architectural design, lavish interior features, advanced amenities, and unparalleled services. Underscore residential features underscore. The 2025 luxury apartments 882 boast luxurious residences featuring expansive windows with city views, high ceilings and hardwood floors, gourmet kitchens with quartz countertops, spa-inspired bathrooms with rainfall showers, smart home technology integration, underscore amenities and services underscore. Residents enjoy 24/7 fitness center and yoga studio, rooftop pool and lounge area, private screening room and game room, on-site concierge and parking services, pet-friendly community with dog park, underscore location and accessibility underscore, steps from public transportation, walking distance to shopping, dining and entertainment, easy access to major highways, underscore floor plans and pricing underscore. The 2025 luxury apartments 882 offer various floor plans. Studios starting at $2, $500 month. One bedroom starting at $3, $200 month. Two bedrooms starting at $4, $500 month. Three bedrooms starting at $6, $000 month. Penthouse starting at $12, $000 month. Each floor plan offers unique features and upgrades to suit various lifestyles. Experience the ultimate luxury living. The 2025 luxury apartments 882. Elevate your lifestyle. Would you like me to modify this script or add or remove any features? Note, please provide more information about the apartment complex, such as location, size, and specific amenities, to make the script more accurate and detailed. Here is the second script. Welcome to the 2025 Toyota Stout Review. Experience the ultimate blend of ruggedness, reliability, and innovation. The 2025 Toyota Stout is redefining the pickup truck experience. In this presentation, we'll take you through the Stout's robust exterior design, spacious interior features, advanced technology, and impressive performance capabilities. Underscore exterior design underscore. The 2025 Stout boasts a rugged and aerodynamic design, featuring new LED headlights with daytime running lights, chrome-plated grille, 18-inch alloy wheels, power folding exterior mirrors, LED fog lights, rear spoiler, underscore interior and comfort underscore. Inside, the Stout offers premium fabric appointed seating for 5 passengers, heated front seats, 12-inch touchscreen display, Toyota Connect infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone automatic climate control, underscore safety and driver assistance underscore. Safety features include Toyota safety package, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear view camera, automatic emergency braking, underscore powertrain and performance underscore. The 2025 Stout boasts 2.7L turbocharged petrol engine, 165 HP, 180 lb-ft torque. 3.5L diesel engine, 220 HP, 260 lb-ft torque. 6-speed manual transmission. 6-speed automatic transmission. 4-wheel drive system. Underscore performance capabilities underscore. With its advanced suspension system, electronic stability control, crawl control system. The Stout delivers exceptional off-road capability. Wading depth 350 mm, ground clearance 200 mm, towing capacity 2,500 kg, underscore trim levels and pricing underscore. The 2025 Toyota Stout is available in 4 trim levels. SR starting at $25,995. SR5 starting at $28,495. TRD starting at $31,995. Limited edition starting at $35,495. Each trim offers unique features and upgrades to suit various driving needs.